service file is used because let's say if you keep only deployment and every time something happens or rollback happen or restart happens, IP changes and you had
Yeah,
to update this IP everywhere wherever you updated this IP. We want this IP to be constant so that
yeah,
even the pod gets restarted or something, we don't want let's say maybe I have a diagram, I guess. Hmm. Let's say this is how we are now presently. Like there is AWS
yes,
EC2 and
mhm,
inside we created a namespace and inside like we created two pods and two pods are opened at port 80.
yes,
And now what we are trying to do is we are creating a service. And now
okay,
instead of user accessing the pod directly, he will access the
yeah,
service
yeah,
and this
yeah.
service will route to these pods. And
Okay, okay, got
this
it.
service IP would not change at all so that like you could keep this IP anywhere you want.
Yes, yes, okay, okay, okay.
Yes, let me go. Fine. Since there is no change, I'm directly applying kubectl apply minus f. Okay, service is created. Now to get the service, kubectl get svc or service minus n react. So this is the cluster IP. Now you could see this is the cluster IP. Cluster IP, how it works is it works only on internal. Let's say apart from AWS EC2, you could not access it anywhere because it's cluster IP and it's local. And if you want to use it outside, there is something called node port where you could use it outside this EC2 instance, which I'll discuss at Prometheus. I'll just leave that to homework because I just don't want to waste time there here because I'm gonna cover node port again later. Let's say now I want to access the application. How I'll access? As I said.